Hello, and welcome to your daily AI news update. I'm Isabella Yuha, and today is Monday, October 2025. Let's dive into the biggest stories from the world of artificial intelligence, breaking them down so we can all understand what's happening and why it matters to you. First up, some incredibly hopeful news from the medical field. Scientists in Montreal have developed a new surgical device that uses AI to treat brain cancer and extend patients' lives. This device helps doctors during surgery to tell the difference between cancerous tissue and healthy tissue. Why it matters to normal people? This is a huge step forward for cancer treatment. It means doctors can be more precise in removing tumors, which could lead to many more people living longer, healthier lives after a brain cancer diagnosis. Next, we're seeing big moves in how AI is used in businesses. IBM and Groq have announced a new partnership to make advanced AI agents faster and more widely available for companies. These AI agents can handle complex tasks very quickly. Why it matters to normal people? This partnership means that companies in important areas like healthcare and finance will be able to use AI to get things done faster and more accurately. For example, it could help hospitals answer patient questions in real time, improving service and making things smoother for everyone. Moving to the creative side of AI, a company called has launched a new generative AI platform called Imagine, which is designed to celebrate Emirati culture. This platform creates images that truly reflect local traditions and modern Emirati life. Why it matters to normal people? Instead of generic images, this tool allows creators to make digital content that genuinely represents specific cultures. It shows how AI can be used to preserve and share unique cultural stories in a digital age, making content more authentic and relatable. Now, let's talk about the impact of AI on jobs. There's growing concern among executives in Australia about job security as AI becomes more common in the workplace, with many fearing their skills might become outdated. In Canada, studies also show that AI is affecting entry-level jobs, particularly for young people in fields like software development and customer service. Why it matters to normal people? This highlights the ongoing conversation about how AI is changing our jobs. It means people, especially those just starting their careers, need to think about gaining new skills to work alongside AI, and companies need to support their employees through these changes. Moving to the bigger picture of AI development, new research from Northeastern University suggests that strict data privacy rules, like those in the European Union, might actually be slowing down AI innovation. The study found that countries with these regulations have lower levels of AI innovation. Why it matters to normal people? This shows the tricky balance governments face. They want to protect people's privacy from potential AI risks, but they also want to encourage new technologies. Finding the right balance will shape how quickly AI develops and what kinds of benefits and challenges it brings to our lives. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Isabella Yuha, helping people feel confident with new technology.